Alright, so right now is the overlap between London and New York session, so we can expect a little bit of volatilities to be stepping into the market itself. And yeah, you can see I'm just being very patient, right? Practicing what I'm preaching. So over here, what we had was that this was that last lower high that led to this break of structure, right? So we are pretty much expecting price to pull back to this supply, and then we are trying to trade the continuation, right? We are assuming that price is going to create a new lower high right here to continue this bearish order flow, okay? So what happened is that over here, price not just went down straight, right? It went down, pull back, went down, pull back, and then go down. So we know there's going to be available liquidity sitting above these highs, right? So we want this liquidity to be swept and price tap into my point of interest, and then that is where I'm looking for my entry. So right now I'm pretty much waiting for this candlestick to close right here. You can see this candle right here is the liquidation candle, because this is the candle that took out the available liquidity on the left hand side, right? So my buy stop order is below it, and right now this candle is closed. This is where I'm placing my buy stop order right here, right? So once price come down to this low right here, it will trigger my sell stop order. So right now I'm just giving it a little bit of buffer, right? So I'm just gonna give it like 1 to 2 pips, maybe like just 1.5, right? Just put it at 6.5, just like this. Okay, so right now we still have not been tapped into the trade whatsoever, right? You can see the next candle is like somewhere right here. Ideally, I want price to get down here, then I'll be tapped into the trade. Okay, we are in, guys. We are in, gentlemen. Okay, so right now we pretty much just set and forget. I'm planning to get out at this 5-minute swing low right here. And I'm pretty much expecting price to just take out this low, right? To just continue this bearish order flow. But yeah, I'm just trying to be more conservative when it comes to my TP. So I'm just going to place my take profit right there. So as you can see, this is about a 1:3.5 hour trade. By the way, I forgot to mention, but it's actually like a refined 5-minute zone that's unmitigated right here. You can see this is the much more refined zone that haven't been mitigated. You can see this one that I've drawn earlier. It has already been mitigated when price actually, pull back into this zone right here and mitigate it before it goes down even further, right? So this right here is that fresh, unmitigated point of interest that I want to be trading from. So you can see the first thing I looked out for was the point of interest mitigation. The second thing was some form of liquidation from the inducement during the push phase right here, during the continuation phase. So once I got those two criteria, boom, that is where I place my sell stop order, has been triggered, and now just, just be very, very patient and wait for price to hit our TP or our stop loss. All right, come on, liquidity. There we go, baby. Step down, step bit down, baby. Get down on your knees. Get down on your knees. Okay, so another day, another L. Took a loss today. I'm feeling defeated, man. Like, honestly, I'm feeling defeated, guys. We have been taking back-to-back L's whatsoever. But at the same time, I still have faith. Right now the market is a little bit crazy. It's a little bit unpredictable, right? It is what it is. Lost another 10k today. Dude, we are down 20k this week, bro. How the hell are we gonna recover from this shit? Bro, like, honestly, I'm just tired, man. But honestly, I still have faith in my edge, right? It's just the conditions haven't been favorable lately. And also on this trade itself, you can see price pretty much came down to this next 5-minute demand zone, right? This near 5-minute demand zone, and just like started skyrocketing, right? So it did not manage to come all the way down to our take profit that we have down here, right? But yeah, it is what it is, man. Honestly, bro, placing my take profit right here will be much more realistic, but at the same time, look at the risk to reward. It's just shit, right? Like 1:7. So I thought that, I could try to strive for at least this demand zone right here. But yeah, I guess that didn't work out. It's alright. I still have faith in my edge. I know that the comeback is gonna be stronger than the setback. So yeah, another day, another L, but tomorrow we wake up and we do it again.